I'm not going to die. I'm not going to die.
I hope the little kids don't like touch my sandals.
No, actually, I can like kind of leave my fingers through it, because like even if I like go, it's like it's not gonna like come through.
You didn't move that time.
Are we gonna go or are we just on the boat for no reason?
I don't know. I hope we're just not on the boat for no reason. I hope we're not. I hope somebody knows it's not.
Everybody else on the boat.
I am.
Hold on. They're my friends with the boat now.
Who are you gonna show?
What?
Show the parents.
Why? It's putting it on Facebook.
Wait, the video?
Yeah. This is like the third video.
Number one.
They're so cute. They have to see like.
You can tell they like each other.
I know.
Tyler's coming.
Hi.
Wait. Kaylin! Say hi. Oh my god, this is so cute.
How old is she?
She's 12, right? And then he's like 11. Oh, he's 13.
Oh, that was Tyler.
I thought she was an older. Oh. I thought she was a year older than
Tyler's
him.
15.
Oh my god, he looks like he's 9.
He looks like he's younger than me.
Can he go? Can he swim?
He's 8 or 9 or something.
Wait, can he swim?
I don't know.
Oh, look at the doggy.
I'm confuzzled.
Look at the doggy.
Wait, were those people over there?
I don't know.
Good job, guys.
So funny.
Wait,
are you sure that guy is her dad? That guy that she's with, are you sure that's her dad?
no.
What?
That's what I thought.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Totally not checking out another guy.
Oh, I didn't realize Tyler was here.
Oh, his doggy's swimming. That's so cute. Oh, poor doggy.
Number one.
Do something!
She gave up.
Do something!
Uh-oh, no she did. A couple would do. Nah, it's not giving up.
My parents are coming. My parents are coming.
Your parents are mine.
OMG. They're like having sex right now.
I know.
I think they're a little too young to have sex, Emily.
Yeah,
They really are though right now. Oh.
Get off the damn